Experiment 2. Decomposition of copper carbonate. Apparatus required. 2 test tubes. Delivery tube, right-angled. Bunsen burner. Chemicals required. Powdered copper carbonate, light green. Freshly prepared lime water. Procedure. Place a small amount of copper carbonate in a test tube and fit it with the gas delivery tube and stopper. Clamp the test tube to a stand. Half fill the other test tube with lime water and place the gas delivery tube in it. Heat the powder gently at first, then more strongly. Observation. The light green powder changes to black on strong heating. A colorless gas bubbles through lime water, making it milky. Inference. Copper carbonate decomposes on heating to produce copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas. CuCO3, green, gives CuO plus CO2, black. Let us summarize. 1. All changes are broadly classified into 2 types, physical changes and chemical changes. 2. A physical change is a temporary change in which no new substance is formed and the chemical composition of the substance remains the same. 3. A chemical change is a permanent change in which the original substance loses its identity and produces one or more new substances by change in its composition. 4. There are some changes around us in which both physical and chemical changes occur simultaneously, like the burning of a candle. 5. The conditions necessary for a chemical change are close physical contact, contact in solution, heat, light, electricity, pressure and catalyst. 6. Combination reaction is a chemical reaction in which 2 or more elements or compounds react together to form one new compound as a product. 7. Decomposition reaction is a chemical reaction in which a chemical compound decomposes or breaks up into 2 or more simpler substances that may be elements or compounds. 8. Displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from a compound, usually in the solution form. 9. Double decomposition reaction is the chemical reaction in which 2 compounds react together in solution to form 2 new compounds by exchange of their radicals. Generally, one of the products formed is obtained as a precipitate, an insoluble solid. 10. A catalyst is a substance which alters the speed of a chemical reaction, but itself does not take part in the chemical reaction. 11. Catalysts are of 2 types, positive catalyst and negative catalyst. 12. A reversible reaction is the reaction in which the products formed react back to form the original reactants. 13. Exothermic reactions are the reactions which proceed with the liberation of heat energy. 14. Endothermic reactions are the reactions which proceed with the absorption of heat energy.